So let's get started. Again, we're going to plug our air supply into the inlet. We're going to set our switch to right about in the middle there on this crease. That's going to start at about 8 seconds. That's a good starting point. Then we're going to select the aperture. You're given 3 apertures. You want to choose the aperture you're going to be using based off the size of the outside diameter of the fastener head you're going to be removing. The goal here is to spot blast in just that area so we're not removing more coating than we really need to. To do so, we take our aperture, we locate over the head of the fastener we're going to remove, take our S-blaster, put it down inside that cup, and we're going to pull that safety up and squeeze the trigger. So right now we are blasting, sending that plastic media down to the work site and removing it. That click right there tells me now we're in vacuum mode. I continue to hold the trigger down and I slowly rock off the fastener head, and that suctions up any of the media or paint that you would have normally seen there. We can do that again, and you would just run your row of rivets this way, blasting and vacuuming as you go. Now the time control comes into play based off of your experience with the paint you're removing. If you need to add time, simply turn it up. If you need to reduce the time, or you feel like you can reduce the time, turn it down. And then continue on to your next row, blasting and vacuuming and pulling that debris away. And now you've got a number of nice clean fasteners that we just removed with the S-blaster.